at StudioLab XR, which is New Media Manitoba's latest workforce development initiative. It's a 6,000 square foot extended reality training center. We are Unreal authorized, one of 4 in Canada and one of 9 in North America.
Everything we do here runs through Unreal Engine. We are working with the Manitoba Construction Sector Council on developing new curriculum to be able to actually bring in all of their fabulous LiDAR and drone data into Unreal Engine to kind of reimagine the way that the construction industry currently sees and surveys their land.
LiDAR with extended reality is the newest of the endeavors, which LiDAR is light detection and ranging. It is a payload that, yes, can be handheld, but we also fly it on the drone. So teaching folks that are already have their basic or advanced or are pursuing that path about the capabilities of LiDAR as a payload is one aspect of it. Connecting the scans you do with LiDAR to extended reality is the other. And extended reality is embracing this concept of virtual reality, augmented reality, and mixed reality as one. So when we say bringing the scans into that, you're really allowing for that immersive experience.
I was already looking at the resources that offer the course, and I will be the first one that is already signed up because I can see how this can help us to bridge the gap, especially in the first stages of any project where we are gathering data through survey, and we have to analyze that data.
This again is the next step in our process.
We're at the Merit Contractors Association annual general meeting at the Winnipeg Winter Club, and Manitoba Construction Sector Council came in to present with critical ops on the Sky Skills program, the use of drone technology for basic and advanced training, and the new LiDAR project.
Well, we're very excited to introduce technology courses into construction. It's new to construction. When you look at the statistics, the percentage of construction companies using new technology is way lower than it should be. The advancements, the productivity that can come from it is very exciting, and Merit for a long time has been looking for courses and training that are complementary to a lot of courses that are offered by other associations here in Manitoba without duplicating it. So we feel that this is a lane that's very fitting for us right now.
So it's more of a round robin feel in terms of what do I bring to the table and why does it bring value to this course? There's 9 different organizations leaning into this and bringing their expertise to the table. And I love that aspect because it's just like raising a child. It takes a village.
The goal of the meeting today was to bring together the subject matter experts who will be the instructors for the LiDAR training. That will be offered in September of 2025 is the goal.
This is all kind of working towards a digital transformation of the larger industry, moving away from paper. One of the biggest challenges the industry has right now is training and making sure that there are people that can do this work. So even at Republic, there's only a couple of people that know and are experts in this area. So we're really hoping that this whole program will help increase that pool of trained people that are able to come into organizations that maybe aren't as fluent in this technology and help lead those changes.
What I really find is useful with this course is we have some applications towards the virtual reality side of things, but also the game management. From my personal standpoint, games are really cool. Video games, any sort of graphic design. This technology with drones, I think really offers the unique ability to produce a deliverable for a client so that if you're building something, they have an entire virtual documentation of it, as well as the ability to walk through it and see it. That way, if something changes, say some natural disaster or just adoption of different tech, we can actually adopt that data set into our day-to-day use cases.
These subject matter experts from Manitoba will be bringing their expertise to the table, and that's the best way to get other people hooked into the importance of LiDAR training.